yeah. You want to know about zucchini? Those zucchini here, I do like every year just about 2-3 plants. The only thing they make one each plant that big. They make a thousand about this big. They come like smaller than the finger, and then they call in Italian they call inibia. They don't grow. Only one each plant. They make only one. See, that's a 2 plant. And that's it. They don't make it 3, 4, 5 small one, big one, but only one. So it's just for fun, then. But they're good. They're good to eat. You cut it about up an inch, and you suck it up in the eggs and a little bit of flour, and you fry it. They are better than the one you buy in the store. Anytime. They look like they're hard. They're not hard inside. They're not hard. They're good. Very good zucchini. Yeah. And the wine is better, way better than zucchini. Oh, yeah. I make the wine here all the time. This one, I make a French Colombard. There's a guy who told me, the Frenchman, a friend of mine, said Joe Santos. He said, Mariano, try it. I said, I make a Chardonnay, I make a Pinot Grigio, Pinot. He said, try French Colombard. So I buy a pail, so now beautiful wine. It has to be with chili. So I put it in the fridge for about half an hour. Actually, in Italy, they put in the ice. They never put the stuff in the fridge. Because they, like me, 80 years ago, we don't have a fridge, so we don't know what we don't know what to do with the fridge. No, honest, it has to be a little bit chili. The red wine is different. I never buy a wine for 2 reasons. I think I said that before when I cook. One is because it's too expensive. If you want it, I saw about a wine. I don't want the name of the liquor store, but it doesn't matter because there's the truth. Italian wine. I think it was a Maroni, 148 or $158. That's me crazy. I don't want to pay him $50 for a bottle of wine. I can make it with that money. I can make at least $35. So no, another thing, and then the sulfate, lots of sulfate, because the preserve, they keep wine not to go bad. Because if you got a bottle of wine, it costs $100, you don't want to throw away after 2-3. That's good for 4 or 5 years if they don't sell it, And then no, I don't want to spend that kind of money. Like the guy today, a pair of socks for compressor socks, $109.99. Forget about it. I chop up my legs before I give $110 for a pair of socks. That's not bullshit. I don't want to say where. It wasn't not a Safeway, that's for sure. You laugh, eh? Yeah, no. Thank you guys again. That's it. Now we're gonna cook the zucchini. And I drink my wine first. Okay? Thank you guys.